Remember when you were little and your mom used to wash your hands with alcohol? That doesn't sound like a very good mother, does it? Yet moms do this every day. Let me explain. Moms use soaps, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant sprays to protect their children from things like viruses, germs, and bacteria. But there's a problem. Hand sanitizers are alcohol-based. Alcohol in hand sanitizer dries out your skin, and it usually smells weird. Dry skin means cracked skin. Seriously, what is that smell? Cracked skin from alcohol leads to infection. And then there's that flammability issue. Despite these dangers, most moms still use alcohol-based products. OMG, it's like putting gasoline on your kids' hands. Are we still living in the dark ages, people? Hand sanitizer kills 99.9% of bacteria in 3 seconds. But then after you apply it, you touch your phone, a keyboard, a doorknob, a toilet seat, and then what happens? Germs. The ones resting on these objects are now colonizing in your children's weakened and cracked skin. Wouldn't it be nice to have a product that protects your children's skin and lasts longer than 3 to 4 seconds? Introducing PureWorks. The first and only antibacterial solution that persists up to 4 hours on your hands. 4 hours! To make regular hand sanitizer last as long, you'd have to use 240 applications. That's 1 application every minute to equal just 1 application of PureWorks. Oh, and by the way, it kills 99.9% of bacteria on your hands. And did we mention PureWorks smells perfect? You don't have to worry about your kids catching on fire. Why trust anything else when it comes to protecting your family? Visit us at pureworkstv.com and get your first bottle free. Comment or leave video messages below to tell us what you think. Protect your family with PureWorks.